Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check password which is stored in the SQL Server database table, how to compare password between two text box with compare validator and code in C Sharp. This is the database, my first test DB. Yes, here is a table. Oh, I'm just adding a new table with two column username and username data type is nvarchar type, password nvarchar 50 is enough. Okay, username is primary key. It's done. Table name is login tab. Just click on OK. My table is created. You can see the table in the table folder in the server explorer. This is the data class dbml file to connect a database in the linq. This is linq file used to connect with SQL database. There are many videos in this channel about connecting SQL with linq. Just drag and drop the table from the server explorer to linq file. Now add new item, new Windows form, user manage form. Yes, this is the form. Here I will add login portal and password validation. Okay, I'm just adding two table with two column. First row, just mark cell to add heading. I'm just designing the heading. Yes, background color is, I'm just choose a color, and font size the black text large, font for color black is not matched, white. Yes, now it's showing nice. Heading is user manage form. Here I will add two text box and a button control. First one is username and second one is password and a button control. Text box 1, text box 2. Go to the button, click event. Data class, the data context db equal to new data class data context. This is for connecting with SQL Server database with my web application. Okay, first equal to new login tab to add user to create new user. Login tab username equal to text 1 dot text, password equal to text 2 dot text. Finally, db dot login tabs dot insert on submit st, db dot submit change. Add message to display the message. Add a label control from the toolbox. This is the label control. Label 1 dot text equal to successfully added. Now just write the four color will be green. Okay, right click view in browser. Yes, it's showing username. You can use any username. I'm just adding the username as Swift, and password is password s at the rate 1234. Just click on create user. Yes, successfully added. The user already created. Go to the server explorer, right click, show table data. Yes, username and password already added in the database table. Go to the UI. Password is text. Change the password text mode as password. Text mode is password. Now right click, view in browser. Oh no, okay, I already have. Just refresh. Yes, now if you write password, it will not show as text. It will show a like dot. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to validate password with compare validator and with code. In that case, I am just copy and paste to reducing time. The past text box is current password. There I am just adding four text box: username, password, current password, new password, and confirm password. I am adding four text box. First one is txt uname. second text box is txt current cu pass, I mean current password, and third one txt new pass, what you want to change, txt confirm password. Okay, now table style, this is very wide, I'm just adding it's 70% of the page. Change password, I'm just change the text of this button. Here is level control, lbl status, the current password, whether the current password is matched with the database table or not. And here I am using a compare validator. Just select for color red, all validation must use the red color. Okay, now you must add which with compare txt new pass and the control to validate. This compare validator work with control to validate txt confirm password. Yes, now it's okay. If the new password and confirm password not matched, then it will show a message. The message will be not matched. To show the message, you just fix this message, the error message not matched. Okay, now I click view in browser. Yes, password, oh sorry, username, uh, this is password mode because I copy paste, use it as single line, then it will show the text. Though it will it had better to use the password mode, but now I am gonna showing you. If the password not showing, then you cannot understand whether it's matched or not. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 not matched. You must write 4 5, then it will match. Okay, now uh, I am just cleared you the compare validator. Here now here I am gonna adding the code to check the password stored in the database, whether it's matched according to the username what you put in the text box 1 from s in db.login tabs, whereas dot username equal to txt. What user you put in the text box 1, it will match the password according to the user. st.password equal to, if the password is matched with the text box 2.text txt current password, if it is matched, then level status will show as OK text, else it will show invalid. And the color of this label message status system.drawing.color dot red, it will show the message as red color. You can use namespace, then you can only write color dot red color dot green without system.drawing. Okay, in the button 2 click event, I also adding this code. If password current password match, then it will check the new password with confirm password. It will compare the new password with confirm password whether it's match or not. If new password and confirm password not match, then it will not update the change the password. If match, then it will change the password as to password equal to txt confirm password dot text. Okay, db.submission, it will show the message as well, level 2 dot text equal to successfully changed the password. Yes, successfully changed the password. Okay, now go to the, my code is done. Okay, now everything is okay. Right click, view in browser. Yes, Swift, username Swift already exists, that's why I'm adding Swift 1, and password is, I'm just adding password, create successfully added. We'll see the password in the database. Okay, username, here I'll change the password of Swift, what the where is password is s it's now invalid, it is not matched with the password because my database password is s at the rate 1234. Now it's okay, it's matched. Now new password, Go to the database table and see once again. Yes, my password, shift password is as at the rate 1234, and new password is s at 1234. Okay, with the s 1234, and confirm password. If the confirm password is not matched, then it will show the message not matched. Yes, should add s. Now it's matched. F not matched. Now if you click on the change password, it will not work. Because it will prevent the compare validator. Now click on change password. Successfully changed password.